1 Timothy 6, chapter 6, 7 to 10. For the love of money is a source of all kinds of evil. What can we bring out of the world? Yan po. Kahit anong yaman mo, pag nawala ka naman dito sa mundo, wala ka naman matadala. And yun nga, we should be content with the basic necessities of life. We should look to our needs, not our wants. Minsan, may gusto kang material na bagay, pero hindi mo naman kailangan. Kumbaga sa materialistic mind, kailangan matanggal na natin yan. And yung mga corporate world yan, yung mga malls, kakandak yan every month, every other month, every week,